Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make this absolutely wonderfully beautiful, spicy, delicious, gorgeous, fantastic, I think I've run out of words now, fish and rice. It's really, really simple and really, really good. Let's not muck about, let's get on with it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get our fish ready. So as you can see, I've got my fish there, cut into nice pieces. I actually caught this fish. This is called queen fish, but you can use kingfish, cod, tuna, swordfish, you know, anything that's fairly sort of robust, you know. You don't want to be using dory fish or anything for this because it's too light. Tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and then here, let's take a look at what we have. We've got a teaspoon each, salt, pepper, garam masala powder, cumin, turmeric, and chili, and here I've got a little bit of sunflower oil. We're going to put that in just to kind of help the spices stick to the fish. So mixing bowl, all in. I've got my sexy glove on, in we go. So mixing bowl, little bit of oil. Our spices, let's just take one more look at them, shall we? Salt, pepper, chili powder, turmeric, garam masala powder, and cumin, equal parts, teaspoon each. Garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. And then we're going to just work that in with our hand. We've got some beautifully spiced fish. Next up, we're going to go to the cooker. So here we are. I've got a little bit more oil in there. Just heating that up. What I'm going to do is drop in a couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds. You can see that the heat is on quite high. Now we're going to drop in the fish. I'm going to cook this for about 6 minutes, moving it quite often. This is going to be absolutely delicious. So we've got some absolutely wonderfully cooked fish here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some onion. I like to use white onion in here and cut quite chunky. Some bell peppers for a nice bit of colour. Some fresh chili, which I'm putting in whole. You can chop it if you want. And just 2 minutes, throw this around in the pan. I like the onions to be nice and crunchy in this dish. It's really, really nice like that. So just a couple of minutes, throw it around. We're then going to get our rice in. We're going to end up with some beautiful fish and rice. So just 2 minutes, the onions are still nice and crunchy, the bell peppers are nice and crunchy. We're now going to add in some cooked rice. I've got a basmati rice here. In that goes. And we're not going for a fried rice here, we're just going to stir this in a little bit. A little bit of cilantro or coriander in the mix is always great. Normally, I'd be telling you if this was fried rice, you need to cook this rice for about 5 or 6 minutes and actually fry the rice and get some blackening on it. With this one, absolutely no need. So just like 2 or 3 minutes, just stirring it around. I'll see you once I get this on a plate. Really simple, really delicious. And there you go, steaming hot. So, so easy. Really, really beautiful. Like I say, I like that white onion in there, not red onion, which I normally use for most things. The white onion in there is really nice and crunchy. The fish is very tasty. So easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. And more importantly, leave us a comment below. We like to know that you're fine and you're well. Keep safe, everyone. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.